Hey folks, it's Mark Kelly once again with Inbound Revenue. Glad to have you here today. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why you typically save money using someone like Inbound Revenue to manage your campaigns, whether you're an agency, which is most of the work we do, but we also have some direct clients that we work with, and why it makes sense to use someone who's really good at Google Ads to manage your account versus yourself. And the main reason comes down to this. It's performance and it's saving money. For what we charge you to manage your clients or your account, it's going to be less than the money you waste listening to Google, spending money on managing your Google Ads account yourself. And that doesn't even take into consideration what your time is worth. It's just on the money you're going to waste in ad spend running your own ads. Whereas we're going to be able to get you to perform as quickly as possible, and then we're going to improve that performance over time. And because this is what we do all day, every day, it's going to continue to get better and improve. We're going to be able to offer you some insights and options and opportunities to, improve your landing page, improve your campaign performance, run tests. Basically, the thing comes down to is you save money if you outsource your Google Ads, especially to an agency like ours that just does Google Ads all day, every day. We don't do SEO, website design, social media, content, PR. We do Google Ads. So the bottom line is you typically are going to save money on ad spend. You're going to save the hours that you put into it. And no matter how much time you spend trying to learn Google Ads, unless it's all you do, you're not going to know as much as us. You're not going to learn as fast as we do. And you're not going to perform as good as we do. And that's my message. Check us out at inboundrevenue.com. If you have questions or comments or think I'm a cocky bastard, just drop the comments below. I have thick skin. I can handle it. And look forward to seeing you on our YouTube channel again here soon.